What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's going to be a little bit of a different video. I'm going to try my hand in the kitchen cooking dinner for my wife. So we're going to make chicken chili. I've never done this before, but yeah, let's see how it goes. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment to this video. Yeah, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is, in a large pot, do 2 tablespoons of vegetable or olive oil. So that's 2. Already did 1 earlier. You want to heat your oil on medium heat. Medium. Well, that is heating up. You want to add your bell peppers. Of minced garlic. The recipe tells you to use a whole sweet onion, but I'm actually going to use just a half of one because I mean that's a lot of onion. I know it's going to cook down some, but still, the breath be stankin'. I'm not crying, you're crying. No, you are. We're going to cook that on medium heat for 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Or actually stirring often. Stir often! Alexa. Alexa. Hi, darling. Set a timer for 5 minutes.
5-minute timer started, darling.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
So, let's let that go for a little while. Get all nice and sauteed. Alrighty, here it is. Sorry I didn't show everything. My phone died. Boo. But, yep, here it is ready. All simmering chicken chili.